All right, it's been a while since I went crazy, but this, I'm gonna go crazy again with the board, of course, the board crazy. These are excess grip that I saved over the years. This board is from Philippines. It's the Vans 3 collab. You can see it's the checkers. The grip is like a generic brand. I feel like it's not grippy enough, so I'm gonna put extra mob on it, like zombie strips, like I always do. And yeah, more skate stuff soon. Yeah, it's kind of whatever, like flick strips or whatever. We'll leave that there, just because I need a little more grip. Also, it's been rainy since I came back from Philippines and all that, so I can't really skate, so it's whatever. We'll try some garage stuff right now. All right, so when I was in the Philippines, I got these Indy pivot cups for all my trucks and some hardware, which is hard. I got these hard bushings, Indy bushings, which I'm kind of going crazy about because I think my weight is heavier, so the rebound of my bushings are very delayed in rebounding back into shape. So we're gonna go ahead and switch out the pivot cups and the bushings. All right, so I just changed out the pivot cup and the bushings. And even if this is hard, it still feels super loose. I don't know what you guys are doing in these with your bushings, but it's not really cool. I already tightened it down to a pretty good tightness, unless I cut my kingpin, but it feels loose still. All right, so I got the extra grip flick strips going off, and we got the Indy hard bushings with some Ace washers because it's more cupped, and of course brand new Indy pivot cups. I'm gonna go ahead and skate this, see how it goes. Breaker 3! Got a fresh sheet of Mob grip tape. If you didn't know, Mob has these numbers to show different types of grits. But shout outs to Kicks Engines for having Mob grip in the Philippines. So yeah, shout outs to Kicks Engine for having Mob grip tape in the Philippines. I'm gonna re-grip my board that I got in the Philippines, which, because I don't like the generic grip tape, it's actually probably one of the longest times I've ever not re-gripped the board. That's what we're gonna get into right now, today. All right, let me get into the bushings first, since I'm back in the madness lab of skateboarding setups. This hard Uh, these hard Indy 92A bushings, they're okay. They're hard, but then they're too loose, and then when they lock in, because I guess I have fresh pivot cups as well, and is that the bushings? I'm using Ace washers that came from the Ace. It's more cupped, so it doesn't let all the things, all the bushing move around. Ace bushings are actually, bottom is softer, the top part is actually harder. Bottom is an 84B, and then the top is a 92 or 91A that I believe. These are just 92A, top and bottom of Indies. Indy bushings, I think I said bones, but Indy bushings, 92A hard. I'm experimenting again because I figured since I'm heavier in weight, maybe these will rebound better and react a little better than the medium standard ones. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change out the grip on this board as well, like I was saying, just because I had some grip strips with some M80 Mob and some Jessup and stuff, but this generic one right here, it's not doing well. It's so like gone, the grits are gone, and then this is the only thing that catches it. I'm gonna take this out as well as you can see, it's already like coming away or coming apart, like it's not sticking right. Since it's a generic brand, no brand grip tape, we're gonna go ahead and redo this whole grip job, yeah, with the Mob. Also, since this is a generic grip tape, I am hoping that it doesn't stick as much. I don't have a heat gun, but that is a secret to taking off grip tape, is using heat and then pulling out. I have a feeling it will peel off pretty easy, and this one strap, this easy, just pretty easy to rip it off. But if not, we're gonna go ahead and have a hard time. But we're gonna go fast forward me ripping this off and then put new grip tape. Whew. Of course it's raining again, but we are back. Re-gripped the board. Feels really good now. I love Mob. And yeah, we'll try. I took out the riser pads. I was skating riser pads for a bit, but I took it out. I'm not sure if I'll put it back. I only used the riser pads only because the wheels were bigger than my last board was 54s. These wheels are about like 52 now, so it's lower. But we'll give it a try. All right, skate brakes. I need this because it's like stressed out about everyone depending on me for shit and adulting. I can't skate. Well, we're gonna go ahead and try out the new grip and all that stuff, whatever's. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and skate this new grip. I haven't been skating. Weather's been so bad, and then like people depend on me for so much things. I got responsibilities. I can't be doing like what I want to be doing, especially I don't have time. But we're gonna go ahead and I re-grip this. Of course, dipped it black. I love that, half black, half regs. Skate this new rail, get more tricks in. Let's go. Yeah.
Out of shape, Mark.
Me too, bro. Get it.
Out of shape. This
Get
one?
Cruise around. Try it out.
Oh, yeah.
After when was the last time you skated?
Mark. Long time ago.
A decade, 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have fun with that first.
Yeah, thanks.
Right, we're at Dededo, and behind me you saw I made a Pele Albert try a skateboard. Mr. Manley over there. It's been a while since I've seen him skate, but I've had footage of him when he's a kid, so it's nice seeing him come out and skate again. Let's get it. I'm like too fucking scared now. Like I don't want to get hurt, you know? You heading out? So it's Wednesday, about 7 p.m. Our skate park is beautiful, has lights and stuff. Just ghetto on the outside, but yeah, not that much people skate anymore, I would say. It's like a trend or a fad for people. Getting old, having injuries, and your body not being able to do what you used to do really sucks. Fuck. You know that? Also, checking in on the 94A hard indie bushings, the black ones. They're hard, but they get like super loose when you put too much pressure on one side. So you can't really tell whether your truck is too tight or too loose. So this is also mentally bothering me yet again. But I mean, I can feel it more when I do manuals. So it's kind of crazy. Maybe I need to kind of keep skating it more so it breaks in perfect. Also, my trucks that I'm using is a wider hanger, which is 144. I'm usually skating 139s on indies, but since I'm on a 144 truck, I'm also on an 8 straight board. I'm back on skating zeros, but that's fun. But I always do this to myself. I relearn how to skate again because of my setup and injuries. So we're gonna try to get these manuals. But yeah, little update on skating stuff. Oh yeah. This is why I hate coming here. And it's not the skate park, it's just the environment. Got these fucking guys just smoking crack. Just calling it how it is. Hell yeah, gonna skate my skate half cabs on the wavies. That's it, sweaty fucking flesh. Alright, so the black indie bushings, they are a bit too hard. So it feels like it's tight, but it's not. When I put too much pressure, it becomes super loose. I'm gonna loosen it up just so my body and my skating gets the hang of this. Just only on the front, just see how it is.